Here are some 3D printed coasters with a target inside. The coaster was printed without the target, so the target was printed separately. You can just push it into the coaster and it will stay in place. Now let's assemble this white version by pushing the target inside. This is the digital model in FreeCAD. The target was made 0.2 millimeters smaller than the hole to fit perfectly. When it was 0.3 millimeters smaller, it fell out. So this is the perfect fit for this print. The coaster was printed on an A1 Mini with a standard profile and generic PLA. The target was printed with a fine profile, also in generic PLA. It's printable in any color combination you want. So I made a bunch of these coasters, as you see. The model is available for download. See the link in the description. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials.